and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching my cooking channel. Today I'm bringing you such an easy and delicious recipe for the summer gathering. I am actually making it for my son's birthday. He loves brownies and I am making a brownie trifle, right? Yeah, brownie trifle. And like I said, it's super easy to make. There's very simple ingredients. I also want to mention that today's video is part of a collab that is hosted by Valerie from The Hargett Life. I will have Valerie's channel linked down below, as well as the playlist for you to check out when you are finished watching my video. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need a trifle bowl. So that's not an ingredient, it's more of a thing. And then you'll need some Cool Whip. I am just using a no-name brand. Oil, it can be vegetable, canola. I am using coconut, 1/3 of a cup, 1/4 of a cup of water, an egg, brownie mix. Then you'll need, this is optional, some form of a chocolate bar and some chocolate pudding. So I'm going to get started in making my brownies, and I'm going to just follow the instruction on the package to do so. And you also want to preheat your oven to 350. If this is your first time stopping by my channel or you're stopping by from the playlist, welcome. My name is Sonia, like I mentioned already, I'm pretty sure, and this is my cooking channel. I also happen to have a couple other channels which will be all linked in the description box if you want to check them out. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. On this channel I share tons of simple, easy, delicious recipes, as well as some complicated recipes and lots of what's for dinner and some hauls. So make sure that notification bell is turned on as well so you don't miss out any of my uploads. Currently I'm uploading 2 times a week, so make sure that bell is on. So I'm using a pan, it's 8x10 pan, and I'm spraying it down with some coconut spray, oil spray, and I am going to add my batter in and bake it after it's on there. While that's baking, I am going to get my jello started. I am using a big pack of jello, and it calls for 3 cups of milk. I will only be adding 2 cups of milk instead, so that way, because I will be adding some Cool Whip into it. So I'm pretty sure that's why the recipe says only 2 cups of milk, and I'm just using a 2% milk. I'm sure any milk will do. And once it's all mixed up, I set it aside, and I think it was for about, it said 2 minutes. I just left it sitting until my brownies were done. So the brownies are done. These are very chewy brownies. I guess if you do not want to have the chewy brownie, use just a regular brownie cake mix. but as you split it into 3 parts, and one you will cut into squares and the rest you will crumble into the trifle ball. And then I'm going to be mixing my pudding with some Cool Whip. So I'm going to take about half a container of Cool Whip and just mix it in there. And once that is all mixed up is when the fun part of the trifle starts, is assembling it. And I'm going to do layers. My first layer will be brownies that I had broken up. There is no real rhyme or reason to the size of these. I am just breaking them up. And then while I was doing this, I thought, what an easy way to do this trifle would be also if you just bought already made brownies as well as already made pudding. You could totally do this that way as well if you are pinched for time. So once I layered the brownies, then I followed with brownie and pudding mixture and a layer of whipped cream, and then I repeated the same again. And I kind of did like a little design on top just on my own by adding some brownies on top as well as just a blob of whipped cream in the middle, and then I added some caramel chocolate to the top. You can use any chocolate. We love caramel, all of us love it, so that's why I used that chocolate, but I'm pretty sure any chocolate bar would do for this. So here it is, and I have to say it tasted absolutely delicious, and I even served it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on the side. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy summer dessert, and make sure you check out the playlist as well as Valerie's channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.